So the market just doesn't care, right? I mean, Friday today, it is completely red. We're going to be talking about a couple stocks today. I mean, PayPal's having a nice bounce right now. Tesla has hit a low point on an RSI, which I'm going to talk about with you guys, but also Mullen Automotive and what's going on with them because we're up right now. We're trading at $11.39 on Friday. If you were watching what was going on, we actually crashed down 10%. So we'll talk a little bit about that. Also, I'll share the charts with you and tell you really what I think is happening. All I ask is that you drop a like, you subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And of course, this is not financial advice. This is all based on my own opinion, looking at charts, looking at news. Let's get right into it. Now we're gonna get into Mullen in a second. Let's first talk about PayPal. You could see we need to get above this trend line. We have been rejecting, you can't see it here, but we have been in a falling wedge pattern. So we need to get above this trend line. But basically, look what happened today. Today we actually dropped to this very big block of volume and we immediately bounced off. The reason for the fast movement from this to here is this open volume gap that you can see right here. So we actually fell down, bounced right off of that big block of volume. So what's gonna happen next? No one knows. All I can tell you is the RSI is making a higher low right now, trading at 48. This is looking pretty good. We're building new support, so I'm still very bullish on PayPal in the long run. I still think it's gonna hit $75. Right now, it's just kind of building new support before the next leg up, being my own opinion. Let's talk about Tesla, then Mullen. I'm gonna show you guys a tweet that I posted last week, I believe, and make sure you follow me on X. It's at BusinessDad with 3 S's about Tesla. And I said when Tesla hits 30 on the RSI, it is time to buy. Well, guess what happened this morning? We actually touched about 31, okay? So right there, and the reason for this is a buy zone. If you look at the yellow arrows, every time we're down this low around 30, really honestly, my buy zone for companies like Tesla, like Palantir, some of these big companies that I talk about, when the RSI is under 35, I tend to buy. Well, this is exactly what happened. The RSI has been crashing down on a daily time frame, and Tesla hit lows on the day of 212 it looks like, and now it's trading at 222. Why is that? We're oversold, okay? So this is a technical thing that you can use using the RSI to start trading different stocks. We go over this in the Patreon, of course, if you want to join the links. It's $9 a month. Great community. You can join today if you would like to check it out. Now talking about Mullen, just looking at the RSI and the Fibonacci, you can see right here that we are hanging around the 618 level and we actually turned around. So we need to hold this area, or I do think we could go much lower, being about $9.50. That's the next point. Here's another cool stock I've been talking about in the Discord, AMD. Who's in AMD? Leave a comment down below, but we first noticed this around 112. I actually said, hey, this is a buying area around 112. I've been talking all about it on the Patreon. Also, it's now at 156. What is your take on AMD? You can see the date here at 12/26. We were trading at 142 on this day, but AMD currently at 141. First called this out at 112, long-term holders. So basically, this is a buying stock. Now today I haven't really analyzed it, but just wanted to show you guys some of the things I post on the Patreon and in the Discord, looking at a lot of different companies. Right now we're in a lot of mining stocks too, which are taking a beating, but AMD was definitely a successful buy and a successful hold so far. Hope you guys have a great day. Short week, 4 trading days, so enjoy it. Kick butt in your business, whatever you're doing. Have a great week and we'll see you on the next one.